everyone, it's Jacqueline Claffetta with Middle of the Magic Travel, and we're here with you today to show you the new Moana rooms at the Polynesian Village. So this is a pool marina view room, and it has wonderful 2 double beds, all new furnishings, and the beautiful Moana picture. And lots of bedside tables, which I always think is great. And a chair, some side tables, and our beautiful view of the marina. And it has a couch, which does pull out into a day bed, and it will fit an adult. And our television, and lots of drawer space. And we have our cute hey picture right by our little dry bar with the Keurig machine, and a fridge, beverage fridge as well down here. And lots of closet space. And more closet space here and here. And my favorite part is the modern, beautiful bathroom. And this particular room does not have a bathtub. I am not certain if there are other rooms that do, but I believe there are if you need to request one. And then the bathroom, or the toilet rather. All right, thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed watching.